4 ways to become an early riser. Have you always wanted to be an early riser, but you aren't sure how to start? Becoming an early riser can be a challenge, but if you use the following methods, you may find that it is easier than you thought. 1. Let natural light in. When you have blackout curtains, it makes it all too easy to shut off the alarm and go back to bed. The human body was designed to wake up as the sun does, and you need to start using this bit of information to your advantage. Fall asleep with the curtains open so that when your alarm goes off, you will immediately open your eyes to natural light, and your body will begin the wake-up process. 2. Go to bed earlier. Of course, it will be impossible to go to bed early if you are constantly staying awake at all hours of the night. If you struggle with going to bed early, start by limiting your technology 1 hour before bedtime. This can help you to power down quicker mentally. Then, find an activity that relaxes you and begin engaging in that during your no technology time. You may be surprised at how early you can fall asleep when you try. 3. Exercise. The first few mornings that you wake up early will be painful. There's no avoiding that. But start exercising when you get up earlier. Exercising helps to regulate your body's hormones, lower stress, and sleep better. Although it can be difficult to exercise first thing, it will help the problem mentioned above of not falling asleep. Once you get in the rhythm of going to bed earlier and exercising each morning, you'll find that it gets easier and easier every day. 4. Eat earlier. Did you know that eating can have just as much effect on your sleep as exercise? When you eat too close to bedtime, it can be difficult for your body to sleep deeply. When you eat at weird times, this can mess with your hormone production. So instead of eating late-night snacks, set regular meal times for yourself, then don't deviate from these. Keep in mind that your last meal should be 3 to 4 hours before you want to settle down and sleep for the night. Becoming an early riser isn't a quick or easy process, but if you start applying the above 4 methods to your life, you will be surprised by how quickly you can undergo a complete transformation. Before you know it, you'll be rising every morning, early, with ease, and maybe even looking forward to it.